Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a class in Google Classroom. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select also that you will be notified in my newly uploaded video. And don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I am here in my account in Google Classroom. So in order for us to create a class, we simply go here. As you can see, there is a plus sign. Click this one and then select create class. Yes, using classroom at school with student. So if your school must sign up for free, okay, workspace for education account, you can use a classroom. So when we accept here, just click continue. And then class name, let's say for example C++ programming. Okay, programming section 1A subject room. Okay, we just skip the row subject room and then click create. Let us wait. So we have already here the classroom, no, or the class C++ programming for section 1A. So we have here the code that we will give to our students to access this classroom. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new on how to create a class in Google Classroom. Thank you very much for watching guys. Don't forget to like and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.